In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint Presentation Presenter View in Google Meet. This will be an incredibly useful skill for anyone who frequently presents in virtual meetings, allowing you to have a seamless and professional presentation experience. So, whether you're preparing for a business meeting, an online class, or a casual project update, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started by navigating to Google Calendar, which is where you can manage your scheduled meetings and ensure you're well prepared. Open your web browser and type in the address for Google Calendar. Once you're there, look through your upcoming events listed in your calendar. If you've already scheduled a Google Meet meeting, you'll see it right there awaiting your attention. Now let's dive into that meeting. Select the Google Meet event from your calendar. This will open up the event details page. Here, you should see a button or a link that reads, Join with Google Meet. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Google Meet interface, where you can make any necessary adjustments to your audio and video settings before jumping into the call. You're almost there. Once you're ready to join, hit Join Now. This will officially launch you into the meeting, and you'll see the familiar faces of your attendees. With everyone eagerly assembled, it's time to share your screen and start your presentation. Spot the Present Now button at the bottom of your screen. When you click on it, a menu will pop up, offering a few different options for how you'd like to share your content. For this tutorial, you'll want to select a window. This choice is crucial as it allows you to keep the presentation professional and focused, only sharing the content intended for your audience. A new window will appear, providing a list of open applications on your computer. What you're looking for is the window containing the PowerPoint slide presentation you wish to share. Carefully select the right window to ensure you're sharing the correct content with your audience. Once you've selected the appropriate window, click the Share button. Congratulations! You're now presenting your PowerPoint slides using Presenter View in Google Meet. As you present your slides, you'll have access to tools that allow you to navigate seamlessly through your presentation. Remember, Google Meet will only display the slides to your audience, while you have full control and visibility of your notes to speak confidently. And there you have it. A simple and efficient way to share PowerPoint presentations using Google's meeting platform. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Feel free to share this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical technology tips. Happy presenting!